Hello, I am Kobey from Hearns Hobbies, and today I'll be taking you on an unboxing of the B1B Lancer bomber. This is a 144th scale kit by Academy. It's very nice. It was tooled in 2019, so it's relatively new. It has a low parts count, so it means it's good for beginners to intermediate. And yeah, this is an iconic American bomber developed in the 70s, I believe. It uses 4 General Electric engines that they used on the F-16. So this thing has a lot of power. It's been in quite a few campaigns historically. And yeah, let's take a look inside this kit. Okay, so when we open it up, we can see we have two instructions. That's them there. Have the classic Academy warning signs. We have a decal sheet and some masks here. Let's see if I can zoom in on those. Can't really see them that well, but the masks are chopped up. They're pre-cut. You just have to peel them off. And then this is your decal sheet here. They are printed by Cartograph, so we know that they're going to be really, really nice to work with. What else do we have? We have a few sprues to go through in this kit. Some more warnings. I'll put the box aside. So you get 3 bags of plastic, 2 instruction manuals, decals and masks, and some warnings. In this bag here, we'll go through. It's unconventionally molded. It is a very flat aircraft, so you have a top and a bottom piece sandwiched together. This also has swing wings, so that will help with making that. We have the canopy in here, which is molded in a very nice clear plastic. You have your canopy, Bombay doors, wheel wells, more Bombay doors, just most structures surrounding the fuselage of this aircraft. And it looks like really nice crisp panel lines from Academy on this one, which indicates that it is a newer tooling for them. Nice details on some of these parts as well. Actually, here we go. Yeah, we've got some nice details on the parts. Over here and over here, some lines and whatnot. I suspect this would be in the wheel wells. We have some landing struts for the wheel wells or the Bombay door actuators. Yeah, overall, nice detail on this kit. Moving on, we have the engine nacelles. Comes with 2 of these situated underneath each side of the fuselage/wing. The horizontal stabilizers. We have bomb racks, so it came with multiple different types of munitions, and they are all represented in cluster formations here that will be glued up into the Bombay. Tires, engines. Here we have landing gear in white, and we have the bottom side of the engine nacelles, the tail, which is molded in one piece, which is quite interesting. That's an interesting choice by Academy, but it looks really, really nice. The detail is still coming up super crisp. You have your wings, you know, really, really nice detail there. And they do swing. So a feature of this aircraft is it could retract the wings back, so it could go into supersonic flight. I believe it went just over Mach 1. And yeah, so the wings would sweep back so it could go faster. And this kit has the ability to do that. So when you're building it, you can pose it either extended or retracted wings, or you can like change it up once you've built the model to pose it in different versions. So yeah, I'd say the plastic of this kit is really, really nice. It's nice, hard Academy plastic, you know, not soft as some manufacturers. But yeah, it's really nice. Decals, as I said before, they are made by Cartograph. Decals are made by Cartograph. We have the walkway lines here. We have the Bomber Group logos up here, like the tail bands. It comes with 3 different schemes, which we'll go through in the instructions later. We have instrument cluster, we have the logos, like the emblems of these groups, all of the demarcation lines and all the hatches, switches and whatnot, American styles and bars, all printed in nice register. They will complement the model very, very nicely. And here we go, instructions. I'll zoom out of this. One thing I do like about Academy is they, like most other brands, they put all of the colors here on the side, but they also give you multiple different types of manufacturers of paint that you can use. So they give you lots of choice in terms of how you want to paint it, with what brands. So that's great. These are all the colors you'll be using here. You can also mix and match to get the desired color you want. But let's go into the instructions, see what they have to say. So here we go. Getting straight into it, you have your cockpit, and then you're going into the fuselage and wing assembly. Straight off the bat, you already got half your model made on the first page. And then we've got these little wings that go on the side that are painted a different color. I presume that Academy have done that purposefully. This is what I was trying to explain earlier with the swing wing. You can adjust the swing wings to be set up in one of 4 changeable positions. So you can do either 4 of those throughout the build. Being mindful that if you have the wings spread out, you have to use this part, C17 and 18. And the wings folded, you have to use C20 and 21. It just means that it was interchangeable. Those parts changed as the wings moved on the real plane. Heading over, you can either choose to have the bomb bay doors closed or open. So this would be the step you'd take to close them. And if not, if you're going to pose them with all the bombs underneath there, this is what we are going to do. So we're going to be making the bombs. We're going to be assembling them into the belly of the aircraft and then posing the bomb bay doors and substructures in there. So we'd paint those up. Moving on to the wheel wells, you can have them closed or you can have them open, which is a really nice feature. Not many manufacturers factor in modelers who want to close them up. It's usually a lot of work that you have to do, so really nice of Academy to be doing that for us. Here we go, more of the wheel structures if you're choosing to pose them down. And then we're moving on over to this colored program, which holds the rest of the instructions. So this is the engine nacelles that we'll be making, simple 5 parts each. The tail being made, stuck to the model, and the nose. And then the last step, we've got the canopy and all of these sensors. So I call these the catfish little whiskers of this aircraft. But yeah, looks really cool. Moving on, we have the decal and painting guide. So it is usually just one whole solid color, with the exception of a couple of little neutral gray spots for radar jamming or whatnot, I'm not sure. We have a nice colorful diagram. It's lovely when they include colorful diagrams in the models. It makes it much easier to visualize the colors that you'll be painting, which also has the decal placement. So this is one of the schemes. Black Widow from 2016, the 34th bomb group. And then we have another 2 on this page here. So we have from Fairford, 9th bomb group, and another one from the 9th. Just here. 2 very nice ones, and you have your parts count. So this kit is a beginner-friendly kit. And intermediate, so it ranges in between that. It is molded in multicolored plastic, so it is a MCP, I believe the kit is called. So if you don't want to paint your kit, you don't really have to. It is already pre-colored in all the colors of the actual aeroplane itself. MCP, there it is, just there. Get in on that. There we go. This is what this kit is like. So you don't have to paint it. But if you're intermediate or even an expert modeler that wants to go all out on this kit, there are upgrade sets. You can paint it, you know, you can go to town on weathering. But as a base, this kit is very, very nice. One that I would be thinking of putting into my own stash. And yeah, thank you for coming along on this unboxing journey of the B1B bomber from the Thunderbirds group. I hope you learned something and enjoyed. And yes, have a great rest of your day. Cheers.